to be sincere. Feeling this way since top of the year. Lately we've been real unsure, unclear. Is it just me? Where do you go when you disappear? Tell me your secrets, you got my ear.
Friend, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make body butter. I put a list of supplies on the screen. I have 8 ounces of shea butter, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 5 drops of vitamin E oil, 5 drops of almond oil, and fragrance oil. You can use the fragrance oil of your choice. I use 6 drops of coconut vanilla oil, and I have a bowl, a mixer, and 4 4-ounce jars. I have alcohol to clean the bowls and the jars. Now I'm cleaning the bowl. I'm going to put 8 ounces of shea butter into the bowl and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And once I do that, I'm going to put it on the stove into a pot using the double boiling method to melt the shea butter and the coconut oil. And I did wash my hands prior to this. I just didn't show y'all, but I washed my hands.
Ain't even think straight, so I'ma just tweet it and delete it. Clear my mind.
As I'm using a teaspoon, I'm putting 4 teaspoons of coconut oil because 4 teaspoons of coconut oil equals 2 tablespoons of coconut oil.
I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now
The shea butter is melting. I'm going to clean the bowls and the jars and set them aside. Once the shea butter is melted, I'll pour it in a bowl and place the bowl in the refrigerator so that the shea butter liquid mixture can firm up and chill.
And live my life off screen. You get it by now. Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that golden rule? Why is our love at one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now.
Now the shea butter is completely melted. I'm going to put in 5 drops of vitamin E oil. And 5 drops of almond oil.
Tell me what choice I have now. I just want wanna get it right with you, but if we try to talk about it, our history says we'll just argue.
And I'm gonna give that a stir to make sure that everything is blended in together. I'm not going to add the fragrance oil until I begin to whip the shea butter. That'll be during the cold process.
So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line. And we
now I'm gonna place it in the refrigerator so that it can chill.
maybe I need some space, need some air, somewhere else to go, to release, to relax, to let my emotions.
So I let it chill for about an hour, and now I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna mix it until it's smooth.
Knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it. Oh, before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Rewind, rewind, rewind. Issues, I know I got issues. Hate you, then I miss you again. Selfish, I can be so selfish. Spend more time with meeting your friends. Please forgive my.
So now the shea butter is ready. I'm going to take a piping bag and I'm going to transfer the shea butter into the piping bag so that I can put the shea butter into the jars.
Be you the remedy. You're my mirror, I can finally see. Bringing out the best in me, yeah. I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it. Working out my issues with you, with you. Grudges, I be holding grudges. Can't let go of any mistakes. Distant, sometimes I get distant. Stay away as long as it takes. Forgive my attitude. I need my cake and eat it too. But a little time will be enough for me to prove that, baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I can finally see. Bringing out the best in me, yeah.
Alright, y'all, so I was able to make 4 jars of body butter. I'm going to keep 2 for myself and I'm going to give 1 to each of my daughters. Now, this 4-ounce jar should last me about 2 months. Now, you don't really need a lot. It could last longer, but I do like to use my body butter. I use it all over my body. So it just depends on how, you know, how much you use your body butter, how long it will last. Now, you don't need a lot of this. A little bit goes a long way. I'm going to put a little bit on my skin so y'all can see how far a little bit of this goes. Now, y'all, my hands are dry and cracked. This winter has been very brutal on my hands, and y'all can see that. But after a couple of days of using this body butter, my hands are going to be glowing. It's going to be smooth like butter. This body butter is very moisturizing and hydrating to the skin. It's great for those who have eczema, psoriasis, dry skin like mine. Just give me a couple of days and you'll see how much better my hands will look. body butter is so soft and so smooth. It just absorbs right into my skin. Did I mention how good it smells and how easy it was to make? Know in the comments if you will try this recipe. Let me know if you have ever made body butter. If you made it this far and you liked the video, leave me a heart emoji of any color. I would really appreciate it. I want to thank you so much for stopping by. Like, comment, and subscribe for more from me. Bye, y'all.